Hello, welcome. In this video, we will do nomenclature for carboxylic acid. COOH is the functional group. It can be written in expanded form, single bond C, double bond O, single bond OH. The secondary suffix for carboxylic acid is oic acid, and the secondary prefix for this functional group is carboxy, and special suffix for this functional group is carboxylic acid. You see, HCOOH, its common name is formic acid. Form means one carbon. This is the common name, or you can say trivial name, and IUPAC name is methane. Just remove E, the right oic acid, methanoic acid. Methanoic acid is the IUPAC name of formic acid. Then CH3COOH, its common name or trivial name is acetic acid, or you can say acetic acid. Acid means two carbon atoms, and its IUPAC name is ethane. Just remove E from ane, then write oic acid, ethanoic acid. This is the IUPAC name. Then next, CH3CH2COOH, and its common name is propionic acid, and its IUPAC name is propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Then next homologue is CH3CH2CH2COOH. This is N-butyric acid, and its IUPAC name is butanoic acid. N for straight chain. Next homologue of this series is CH3CH2CH2CH2COOH. This is N-valeric acid. Valery means 5 carbon atoms, and the IUPAC name of this compound is pentanoic acid. Next one is N-caproic acid. Here there are 6 carbon atoms, and its IUPAC name is hexanoic acid. This is a homologous series. Each member differs from the next member by a CH2 group. Then COOH, single bond COOH is there. This is oxalic acid, and its IUPAC name is ethane-1,2-dioic acid, or you can say ethane dioic acid. Here E cannot be cancelled because after E there is a consonant D of dioic acid. So here E is not cancelled. Ethane dioic acid. Then CH2COH, CH2COH. You see there are 4 carbon atoms, and the IUPAC name is butane-1,4-dioic acid. Here you should not cancel E because E is followed by the consonant D of di. Then let us write 3 COH groups connected to CH2CH2 as shown on the screen. CH2COH, CHCOH, CH2COH. You see, in this case, if you start numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the middle one, COOH, is not counted. We should not count the carbon of carboxylic acid. Then the numbering is done. In this person, this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These carboxylic acids are not counted in the parent chain, but we cannot write oic acid over here. Now we have written special suffix for COOH is carboxylic acid because the carbon atom of the COOH group is not counted in the parent chain. Then the IUPAC name will be prop for 3 carbon atoms, and between CH2CH and CH2 there are single bonds, so you should write ANE as primary suffix. Then E is not cancelled. Then hyphen 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 hyphen tricarboxylic acid. You see, propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Here we have not written oic acid. Here we have written carboxylic acid because the C of COH is not counted in the parent chain. Then let us do one question where carboxylic acid is treated as a substituent. You see, this is CH2, CH2. CH2 is connected to COH. CH is connected to CH2COH, and then CH2 is connected COOH. Here COOH groups are not connected to the main chain directly. The middle one is connected to a methyl group by substituting one hydrogen atom from that methyl group. So here we cannot write special suffix. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the middle one is a methyl group substituted by a COH group. For 5 carbon atoms, the root word is pent, and for single bonds, the primary suffix is ane, then pentane, then hyphen 1, 5, hyphen dioic acid. Here E is not cancelled because E is followed by the consonant D of dioic acid. So E should be kept over here. Then pentane 1,5 dioic acid, but the middle part CH2COH is written as a substituent, and you know at 3 position methyl group is there, and methyl is further substituted by a COH group, and here COH is written as a prefix carboxy methyl. Carboxy methyl. So you can write 3 hyphen carboxy methyl, 3 hyphen carboxy methyl, and carboxy methyl should be kept in parenthesis, or you can say bracket. Then do another question. CHO single bond COOH. You see here there are 2 functional groups, COOH and CHO. You see in priority order, COOH has more priority than the CHO group, or you can say aldehyde group. For CHO, the suffix is Al and prefix is formyl or oxo, and for COH the suffix is oic acid and prefix is carboxy. As COOH has more priority, we should write secondary suffix oic acid for COH, and for CHO we should write the secondary prefix oxo. You see, you just write this compound in expanded form, single bond. You should write the compound in expanded form, CH double bond O single bond COOH. Here the carbons are given numbering 1, 2. For 2 carbon atoms, the root word is eth. Then for single bond between carbon-carbon, we should write the primary suffix ane, ethane. Then remove E or cancel, remove E. Then write oic acid for COOH. Here oic acid is the secondary suffix. Oic acid is the secondary suffix. Then for CHO, the prefix, secondary prefix is formyl or oxo. But in this case, the C of CHO is counted in the parent child. You see, this is written as number 2. So the prefix is oxo, not formyl, not formyl. So for that O, for this O, we have to write oxo, and oxo is connected to number 2 carbon. So we can write 2 oxo. So that is 2 oxo ethanoic acid. Here you see, eth is the root word, N is the primary suffix, oic acid is the secondary suffix, and oxo is the secondary prefix for CHO group. Then you will definitely take interest to know about formyl. How do you write formyl? Let us do another question. You see, there are 3 carbon atoms, C, or you can say CH2 single bond CH2, and CH2 is connected to COOH group, last CH2 is connected to COOH group, and the middle CH is connected to a CHO group. You see, in this case, CHO is not counted in the parent child. How? You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the CHO is not counted. So here we won't write oxo for CHO. Here we will write formyl as a prefix, secondary prefix for CHO group, and the IUPAC name is pent for 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent. Then for single bonds between carbon-carbon, we have to write ane, pentane, then hyphen 1, 5 hyphen dioic acid. Here E should not be removed, pentane 1,5 dioic acid, pentane 1,5 dioic acid. Then for CHO, the prefix should be 3-formyl, pent ane 1,5 dioic acid. Between 3 and formyl, a hyphen should be there. We have inserted hyphens between letters and numbers. This is 3-formyl pentane 1,5 dioic acid. Then do another question. CH3 whole 3, C, CH2 whole 2, CH double bond CH, CH in bracket OH, then CH2 COOH. We have to write in expanded form, and the IUPAC name is as follows. secondary prefix, primary prefix, root word, primary suffix, then secondary suffix. Then secondary prefixes are dimethyl for two methyl groups bonded to number 8 carbon atom, and OH group is attached to number 3 carbon. So the prefixes are dimethyl and hydroxy. But 3 hydroxy should be written first because H of hydroxy is written before M of methyl, that is alphabetical arrangement. Secondary prefixes should be written in alphabetical arrangement. So I should write 3 hydroxy hyphen 8,8 hyphen dimethyl. Then for 9 carbon atoms in the parent carbon chain, the root word is non. Primary suffix is 4-ene because there is a double bond between number 4 and number 5 carbon atom. Then we have to cancel E from ene. Then we have to write oic acid for COOH. So the name of the organic compound should be written as one word. First letter should be capital. So the name is 3 hydroxy hyphen 8,8 dimethyl non 4-en oic acid. As it is not a cyclic compound, so there is no primary prefix cyclo. So here we have ignored primary prefix. Thank you for watching the video till the end.